Good morning, dear students. Welcome to this science class. In today's class, we will discuss Lesson 13, Dirty Air, Clean Air. Objective of this lesson is to learn about what makes air dirty, like dust, smoke, and germs, and harmful effects of dirty air. Topics to be discussed in this lesson are dust, smoke, and germs. Now let's discuss some important terms of this lesson. Number 1 is air. Mixture of gases, smoke, unburned particles of carbon. Germs, microbes that make us sick. Air pollution, the mixing of dust and smoke in the air. Now dear students, open your science book, lesson 13. Dirty air, clean air. Now, what is air? Air means mixture of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, and other stuff. You know that air has water vapors. In the air, water vapors are also present. Water vapor means tiny drops of water in the air, but this does not make the air dirty. Can you guess what makes the air dirty? Yes, students, dust, smoke, and germs make air dirty. Now we will discuss about all these pollutants that makes air dirty. Now what are pollutants? Pollutant means small particles that make air dirty. Number 1 is dust. Dust means dirt. Dust mixes with the air when we sweep a dirty place. Wind also blows dust into the air. Students, these are dust particles. Some dust particles are visible and some are not visible. When we sweep our surrounding, dust enters in our houses from the windows and doors. The small particles of this dust enters in our body and can cause sneezing and coughing. So students, dust is the first pollutant that makes air dirty. Number 2 is smoke. As we had discussed, smoke means unburned particles of carbon. Smoke from fires and factories also mixes with the air. Students, you can see here smoke. It comes when we burn coal, oil and wood and mixes with the air and cause air pollution. Students, smoke from factories and vehicles also cause air pollution and it increases the temperature of environment. Now, the next one is smoking cigarettes. People who smoke also make the air dirty. Students, people who smoke also make the air dirty. The smoke that produced while smoking cigarette is very dangerous for our health. It can cause lung cancer and the person who is regularly in contact of smoking person can also have this disease. So, smoking is injurious to health and it also causes air pollution. The next one is germs. Now, germs are microbes that make us sick. When a sick person coughs or sneezes, germs go from him into the air. This makes the air dirty. Students, the air we breathe have germs. So, when we cough or when we sneeze, these germs enter in air. And these germs can make others sick. So, whenever we cough or sneeze, we should cover our face. Now we will discuss dirty air is harmful. Underline word harmful and write down its meaning, dangerous. If we breathe air that has dust, smoke or germs, we can get sick. Students, if you will breathe in dirty air, you may get breathing problem. So, what should we do? Number 1 is we should not do the things that dirty the air. Dear students, like we should not burn things, smoke or sneeze and cough without using hanky. Number 2 is we should grow plants and trees everywhere. They clean the air, they keep it cool and fresh. As we had discussed in plants lesson, the process of photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen and helps to keep the air clean and fresh. So, we should grow more and more trees. Number 3 is always use a handkerchief when you cough or sneeze. Number 4 is do not sit with people who are smoking. We should avoid to sit near the people who smokes. So students, in today's class we have learned about different air pollutants like dust, smoke and germs. Now you know that air becomes dirty with dust, smoke and germs. Dirty air makes us sick. Green plants, especially trees, keep the air cool and clean. Now, let's discuss some questions of this lesson. Number 1 is, what does air contain? Air contains dust, smoke, germs and many gases. What is air pollution? Addition of harmful substances in the air is called air pollution. What should we do to keep the air clean? We should grow more trees, use handkerchief while coughing and sneezing, do not smoke. In today's class, we have learned about dirty air and clean air, its cross questions, word meanings and terms. Students, read and revise this lesson. Till that, thank you. Have a nice day.